In this video, we will be making these Raspberry Pi mounting plates with a half-size breadboard. We need to know the physical size and the layout of the mounting holes. Now for the Raspberry Pis, I know these diagrams are available online. If they weren't, however, we could use digital calipers to take the measurements ourselves. Once the diagrams have downloaded, they can be opened in Illustrator and used as the basis for the mounting plate. The Raspberry Pi 3A Plus and B Plus have the same mounting holes. Additionally, 2 of those 4 mounting holes are shared with the Raspberry Pi Zero, so we can mount all 3 boards with just 6 holes. Let's start the design by creating a blank document roughly the final size of the mounting plate. Next, let's add an outline for the half-size breadboard. These should be fairly consistent between brands, and measuring mine I get 2.125 inches wide and 3.25 inches long. We'll use the 3B Plus diagram as the basis for the Raspberry Pi side of the mounting plate since it's the largest. The only parts we need are the board outline and the mounting holes. Everything else can be selected and deleted. There's a little bit of cleanup needed in this diagram, like joining lines together. I assume this is something to do with it coming from a PDF export originally. After the B Plus portion is finished, we need to add in additional holes for the Raspberry Pi Zero. The process is the same. Remove the elements not needed, copy and paste, adjust the size, and then line up the mounting holes on the left. Once lined up, clean up the Zero outline, and work on the spacing of the larger elements. Finally, let's add the website address for a little branding, and create a large box outline for the outside cut. Now we're ready for a test print. Not bad, but could use a few more tweaks as well as some mounting holes in the corners to either mount the plate to something else, or to act as feet to keep the plate balanced. Now that the mounting plate is finished, let's go ahead and mount each type of Raspberry Pi that I have, as well as the breadboards. Having the breadboard and Raspberry Pi mounted to the same plate makes it a lot easier to do development and storage. I use the Glowforge's draft board for these, but acrylic would be a good choice as well as it's strong and lightweight. It's nice to be able to produce more of these as I need them, and I will likely create an enclosed version for project deployments in the future. If you'd be interested in being able to download the file yourself to cut your own, please leave a message in the comments below. If there's interest, I'll add it to the website. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you've not already subscribed, please do so to catch future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.